Oh, good start from the middle of the bat. You've got a point fielder in place. That's through. Sahibzada Farhan is up and running with a boundary.
Excellent backfoot punch. Outside off stump delivery. Just timing it exceptionally well.
Big, nice. That's hammered. And all the way for 6. That is the first one.
Picking up the right length. Any short pitch delivery. A little short of length and that will be punished. Yet again, a short pitch delivery to Sahibzada Farhan, the man in form. Putting it out of the park. Well, first 6 for the semi-finals.
That is super. That is fantastic.
Well, that was not a bad delivery, but creating some space to hit those shots over extra cover, absolutely brilliant. He seems very confident to play all those shots.
इसे खूबसूरत अंदाज में खेला एक और दिलकश पंच ऑफ साइड में साहिबजादा फरहान का
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम तारिक भाई, बहुत शुक्रिया। बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक, अपने लिए जगह बनाई और हालांकि बॉलर ने इनका पीछा किया
और वो शॉट गेंद लेकिन तैयार थे और आमादा थे इसे हिट आउट करने के लिए।
वहीं पे गेंद कराया, प्लान के मुताबिक मेरे ख्याल चला, लेकिन शायद गेंद उतना ऊपर नहीं आया। जब भी गेंद हमने देखा है इनको, पहले मैच में इनका 100 आप याद कीजिए, वेस्ट हाई से ये बहुत अच्छी पुल मारते हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही बॉल चेस्ट से थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है वो वाली जगह है जहां पर ये थोड़े वनरेबल है। बेहतरीन शॉट, इस टाइम तो बॉलर से खेल रहे हैं, बिल्कुल अपनी मर्जी के मुताबिक उनको आमादा किया गेंद कराने पे। पहले पुल मारी है, फिर रेडी थे अगले बॉल के लिए।
रवानी है जो कभी यहाँ रावी में हुआ करती थी, ये फैसलाबाद के आसपास, चिनाब में अब भी है। और ये शॉट गेंद पिल पड़े और ये गजब का शॉट है इस टूर्नामेंट के, ये बड़े छक्कों में से एक था, आखिरी जीनों पे जा उतरी। और साहबजादा फरहान एक और खूबसूरत शॉट, कमाल कर दिया इसे भी, लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री के बाहर।
यहाँ पर नया गेंद है और खालिद उस्मान भी फ्लैट ट्रेजेक्टरी पे बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं, टर्न उस तरह से नहीं मिलेगा।
आउट किए यहीं, हवा में खेल गए थे और 4 रन मिल जाएंगे। गेंद शॉर्ट थी, बाहर थी और ये 19वीं निस्फ सेंचुरी साहबजादा फरहान की। उनका स्ट्राइक रेट 200 से भी ज्यादा और आड़े हाथों लिया है उनने तमाम ही बॉलर्स को। रन्स के अंबार लगा रहे हैं फैसलाबाद में।
ये खूबसूरत शॉट कवर की तरफ, मिस फील्डिंग और फिर 4 रन मिलेंगे साहिबजादा को।
Down on one knee, another maximum, add 6 more, take the side to 102 in the 9th over. This already is closing up to the highest total in the first 10 overs. That was by Lahore Blues, 114 versus Larkana.
Sahibzada stays. It happens.
Flat 6. Sahibzada is on strike and he's making room and he's using that extra cover region, the vacant zone in the deep. And it's the airtime that Khalid Usman is providing. It's allowing him to improvise and
खूबसूरत शॉट, निहायत आलम, वाह क्या खूब। साहबजादा फरहान काबिल दीद हैं और ये दरिया की तरह बहते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन खेल नहीं पाए थे। अच्छे फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेटर थे और ये खेल पा रहे हैं आज। और साहबजादा फरहान बेमिसाल, एक और सेंचुरी, इस टूर्नामेंट की 3री और इनके करियर की 5वीं, और सिर्फ 58 गेंदों में ये ट्रिपल फिगर में आए और खुशियों की लहर दौड़ गई है इस वक्त पेशावर के सपोर्टर्स में। और जब से ये आए हैं इस टूर्नामेंट में इनका बल्ला रन्स बरसा रहा है।
down one knee, same result, maximum.
It has been a super special effort from Sahibzada Farhan. He has been exceptional throughout this tournament. 300s in one T20 tournament is not something that you often hear of all around the park. As this one is flat batted for another 6.
Look at the shot. You're just noticing something that he's getting underneath. Is it too full? He's not having to come down the pitch and play the ball where it's like dropped in a little shorter. Look at that. He's just standing rock solid. And he look just like that. He's just smashing them. One bounce or all the way. Standing in one position. Are they bowling too full at him? Changes the angle. Because this is surely not working. It's really not working. That's another maximum.
Provided used in the perfect manner as this one. Well, now he's just toying with the bowlers. Moving inside the line of the ball and just ramping it over fine leg in the circle. Well, that's why I mentioned it, because there are still a few replacements to be taken. And what else you need from a person? The kind of form that he has shown, 300s in this one tournament, and he's still going on. 126 of 65.
Wow. He's hit that with a horizontal bat.
Yeah, this is again flat batted. Off a length he's shown in this tournament that is too strong on this length. And whether whichever zone in the ground it may be, he has the power to clear it. This one is straight, and this time it's over mid-off. It's raining 6s now, and the 200 is now being crossed with this 6. 205 for 1 with 2 overs and a ball to go.
What a time to score those runs. A semi-final. He's really come to party.
And this is up and over once again and will go the distance. Another 6. 6 number 39.
Have a look at that. Not from this angle. Maybe you won't realize where the ball is. But still, you know, he's standing deep in the crease. It's just coming right in that swinging arc.
Block hole. Again length. This time it goes up in the air and somebody dare catch it. It's not going to be easy, and it's been put down. Sahibzada Farhan in Pakistan in this one tournament. It's never been achieved, as this one goes high up in the air and there's a chance for the fielder, and he takes it. Afaq finally brings this barrage of 6s to an end with this catch. Sahibzada Farhan's 148 of 71 balls.
Yeah, 590 runs in the tournament, still counting if they get to that final. But that's highest by any player in any T20 tournament in Pakistan, including Pakistan Super League. Sahibzada Farhan 148 of just 72. His bat is talking, that's what he's saying.